Doctor, engineer, designer. Homer Stryker was not only an orthopedic surgeon, he was an inventor and visionary. From the basement of his practice in Kalamazoo, Michigan, Dr. Stryker worked tirelessly on products that would improve the care of his patients. His simple and useful solutions were the beginning of Stryker Corporation, a name that would become synonymous with excellence in medical technology. Architect, designer, innovator. As a child growing up in Indianapolis, Michael Graves was obsessed with drawing. His obsession led him to architecture school and eventually a professorship at Princeton University. He went on to become one of the most influential architects of the 21st century. His partnership with Target revolutionized product design, bringing affordable creations to the average consumer. In the midst of his success, an illness in 2003 left Michael paralyzed. During his recovery and rehabilitation, Michael was immersed in many patient environments. Two men with a passion to improve the world around them. Two men who had the courage to make their dreams a reality. Two men with a vision to improve the lives of patients.
Well, after I became a reluctant expert and getting paralyzed about 6 years ago, I thought it was due time that I put right some of the experiences that I'd had in 8 hospitals over a very long stretch of time. And I thought for some of this, I could do better as a designer.
As he went through his recuperation and as our colleagues worked with him as he never stopped working during his whole recovery period, we really realized the design opportunity that exists within the healthcare environment.
So we started looking for partners that we could work on this with, and we met the folks at Stryker, and there just seemed to be a connection.
At first blush, I was intrigued, surprised that they would have come to us, but as the relationship furthered and we met each other and talked with each other and began to work together and talk about what we could do together as partners, it became clear very quickly that there was just an automatic synergy and that the personalities and the cultures of the two companies would mesh well together.
From the top of the leadership in the corporation to the factory floor workers, there was clearly a strong connection across the entire company.
These were people who, like our group, had ideas, knew it could be better, even with the products that they have.
There was really a sense of quality, and I would say heritage too, that it was sort of a family-run business in a town of Kalamazoo.
You know, it was really terrific as things moved along, and as we got to know them, we just saw that our work styles, our cultures, the ways we really addressed our business were so similar that they became obvious as a great partner for Stryker.
But I liked working with them just on the contract. So that was the beginning.
This project in particular is very personal for Michael. He is a user of many of these healthcare items, in particular the overbed table, for instance, and to be able to design one that is going to work better for him as well as for a wider audience has been very important and very satisfying for this project.
This takes what someone knows or feels or thinks about the patient environment to a whole new level.
Having lived through as a patient the challenges that someone has working with the types of products we're offering, he has a unique perspective and a personal commitment to make the environment for patients better.
These products are unique because they take into consideration all of the groups that need to use them. The clinicians, the patients, the people who clean them. Every single user group has been taken into account in the design of these products.
These products are going to differ in many ways. First and foremost, they're going to look different. They're going to look better, they're going to look nicer, and they're going to fit in to the environment better.
There's the potential to completely revolutionize the patient room environment through very simple changes to very simple products.
The goal for the products is simple, that our sales force would represent and engage our customers with the same passion that was put into the design and bringing them to market.
For the public at large, I hope they're used in a way that it makes life easier for the patient.
My goal for these products are to allow Stryker to differentiate themselves within the patient room environment, to develop a brand for ourselves that people will look to us and the Graves line of furniture as a product line that will be an improvement to the healing environment for patients.
Every salesperson wants a differentiated product. Every salesperson wants a product that was designed intimately and personally from a user's experience. And the Michael Graves Furniture series represents that and embodies that. And our expectation is that you will promote them passionately and that you will promote them with every one of your accounts.
You know, what I would tell the sales force is to truly embrace this new offering of furniture. It gives them the opportunity to try to develop a brand for our furniture along with our bed products and come to the marketplace with something very different.